Wow. Charlie's on her net. Hi, baby. It's loud in here because of the dehumidifier, honey. Yeah. Let me shut this over here, okay? We'll shut it for a little bit since you're not looking out the window. Hi! Let me turn this off. Maybe I can get better sound into those. There. I'll just turn that off for a little bit. Did you hear it? It was loud, wasn't it? Is that loud? Was it loud, honey? Bless me. That was a real one. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. Bless you. Mine was real. I don't think yours was. Well, honey, you look so pretty today. I missed you while I was at work. I did. I missed all you guys. Did you miss me? You trying to feed me? No, thank you, honey. I'll eat later, okay? I appreciate it. Are you gonna let me put you to bed this evening? Because Anthony's gonna be home late, okay? Aww. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. Oh, gotta get up here so I can get a good picture of you, Char. How pretty are you today? Thank you. I don't want no food, though. Thank you for trying to feed Mama. So pretty. Pretty baby girl. Char. I love you. You got an itch? Just hanging out? You don't want to do nothing? That's okay, we don't have to. Oh, big stretch. Happy bird. You're a happy bird, aren't you, girl? What you looking at down there? Is there something down there? Do you want your bird? Do you want to play with your bird? I'll get it, honey. You looking for your little red bird? He's down here on the floor somewhere. Here, I'll get him for you, Char. You want your little bird? Did you want your bird? So I'll throw that bird on the floor, Mom. Ugh. I don't know if I can. You're so so silly. I love you, Chard. You don't want to play with it right now? We don't have to. All right, baby. We'll just set it on our net and hang out, okay? I love you.